Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is almost the end of the Worlds, or I should say, Heroclix Worlds Championship 2025. We're not there because we're here unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from Buy and Ship, and it came second to the last day of Heroclix Worlds Championship 2025. Okay, when I'm posting this video, the the words would probably be over by now. The final day, the top 16 match, would be tomorrow. Okay, but this will might be posted later date in the week. Okay, so I'm happy to see that there was a Phoenix Wolverine tentpole that was in the top 16, but I heard that the player had to go because he needs to attend his daughter's birthday. Okay, so that's very commendable. Okay, but I would have loved to see the the Phoenix Wolverine go all the way. Okay, so but looking at the teams in the World Championship, okay, I was surprised to see um, Kong's. Okay, I wasn't sure whether Kong was going to be as dominant, but it seems like more than the 50-point Kong, it was the 200-point Kong. And I was also surprised not to see the power batteries be prevalent. Okay, it was more the rings rather than the power battery. Okay, so anyway, good luck to all the remaining 16 players, and congratulations to, because this will be posted late, congratulations to the 2025 HeroClix World Champion. Okay, but for this video, we're going to look at our holes for this batch. Okay, so this is a consolidation of, I think both are WizKids purchases. Okay, so but a quick advertisement, iPhone 17 has landed. Okay, 79,000 pesos, 80,000. Okay, so if you're interested, scan it. Okay, I see a bunch of boxes that I really like. First one, and this is an item for Heinz, a good friend. Okay, Marvel Heralds of Galactus. Okay, so this is not for me, but we can take a look at the imagery on the left, on the right, and at the back for these Heralds of Galactus Iconics. Okay, so he has the Galactus Colossal. So he's very much excited to get this. Ooh, now I'm seeing it for the first time, the sculpt, and it's really nice, especially the Silver Surfer sculpt and Terax. I like it. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to open that in another video, so it's just gonna be like that. We also have a couple of cookie quartets. Okay, one for me and one for my friend Larry. Okay, so I used to have one, but I sold it to Lyndon, and I just had to purchase a new one together with Larry. So of course we know Scarlet and Quicksilver are X-Men, but we also have Captain America and Hawkeye here, and the very strong Captain America team up card. So we already made a video of this. Okay, so we also have a Sherlock Holmes. Okay. So we also had the video on this. This is more of a promo app item at that time. So got this for a really cheap price. Okay. This will be rotating out, but still modern on silver, so we can still play with that. And we also have the Cave of the Owlbears, Dungeons and Dragons. Okay, this one is also going to Heinz. I have a separate order for myself, but I'll probably give this to Heinz um, because he's collected all of them, the Beholder, the Displacer, and now the Owlbears. Okay, just wanted to have a quick look of that cute owlbear, baby owlbear, and the ring of telekinesis. Okay, so we'll probably make a video of this when I get my own owlbear. Finally, the last item is just a Jersey Devil, okay, from our purchase. This one is ours, so we're gonna unbox this in a separate video. Okay, yeah, so that's it for our hauls this Sunday in the Philippines. And what do you guys think? Who do you think win will win in Worlds, or what do you say about the team who won Worlds 2025? Okay, so that's it. Thank you and see you again. Bye.